Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to contact Amazon Kindle. If you want to contact Amazon Kindle support, then here is how you can do it. Open up your Amazon Kindle application, or you can also go to amazon.com website. The choice is yours. Simply go ahead and open up your application. In this video, I'm just going to open up the Amazon Kindle app and sign into it. Once you're signed in, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the More menu, tap on Help and Feedback. Now, from the Help and Feedback page, scroll all the way down until you see the Contact Us tab. Within the Contact Us tab, you can chat with Amazon Kindle support by tapping on the Chat with Us option, and a customer service representative will be available to assist you. Simply go ahead and provide the details about your issue, and you will be able to get support from Amazon Kindle. Another way you can speak to them is by making a phone call. Simply click on Speak with a Representative option and enter your phone number in the text box and tap on Call Me Now. Follow through the prompts to speak with a representative via a phone call. Another way you can speak to them is by contacting via email. Tap on the Provide Feedback button at the bottom and then enter your feedback in the text box. Be prepared to provide details about your issue, such as your Kindle device's model, the specific problem you are encountering, any error messages you are receiving, and your account information. After providing these information, tap on Send Feedback, and then you can contact to the Kindle support via email as well. So those were some of the methods you can use to contact Amazon Kindle support if you have any issue regarding the platform. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.